Alright guys, John's Moto Garage. We got ourselves into a bit of a predicament. We got halfway up the stair set, but we cannot get up the other half. Welcome to the channel. Today we're talking about how to ride a motorcycle up a flight of stairs, specifically the SuperMoto. And then right along with that, obviously, you gotta learn how to get your motorcycle down the stair set as well. How do you get the bike from point A to point B? From the most professional novice on the market right now, John's Moto Garage. Let me get my thumbnail before I forget. Now, I'm actually no expert at all on doing this. If you watch some of my old videos, my first DRZ, I rode up and down these stairs shortly after I bought the bike, and that was pretty much the last time I ever did it. I just got my haircut and thought it'd be fun to swing by here and try it. But as I stand here at the bottom of this behemoth of a stair set, I think to myself, oh man, to be quite honest, I'm a little bit scared. So that's the number one step. Don't let fear take over. All right, in all seriousness, this is just going to be kind of a learn with me, do what I say, not as I do type of scenario here. First, let me make sure I can still do it though. All right, we still got it. Let's go back down to the bottom. We will also be talking about how to ride downstairs. Downstairs, in my opinion, is much easier. You just kind of lean back and you kind of cover the brake a little bit. Slash skid. You don't want to be leaning over it. You don't want to be leaning too far over the front of the bike. You want to be leaning back. All right, so you want to go up a stair set. First, I would try to find a smaller stair set. This probably isn't the best one to start out with, especially the fact that you have two flights of stairs right here. But it'll work, it'll work. You got a few things with the stair set. You got to get the fear out of your head. Really, once you're up and in it, it's a lot easier than it looks. But with a stair set, just like loading your bike up in a ramp, you're all in or you're all out. You can't go halfway in, because if you get halfway up the stairs and stop, you're in kind of a sticky predicament. You're gonna get yourself in a pickle, because once you're up on the stairs, it's not a good solid surface. If you stop and lean one side or the other, odds are you're probably gonna drop the bike, and then good luck getting it down that flight of stairs without injuring yourself or harming the motorcycle in the process. So what you want to do is obviously make sure you're comfortable on the motorcycle and give it a couple roll ups. You know, one of the keys is when you hit your you want to get your tire over that first step initially, and you don't want to do that. You want to make sure that you can kind of get that initial momentum going. Once the momentum has started, you want to keep the momentum rolling, and I just do this in first. You just roll into first gear and you just kind of keep steady on the throttle, not too fast, not too slow, and you roll your way up it. As far as your weight, you're not going to be leaning all the way over, you're not going to be leaning all the way to the back. You're kind of neutral. It's a mix, because you don't want to be leaning so far back that you're gonna, you know, possibly bring the front wheel up in the air. You know, you don't want to potentially wheelie it, but if you lean too far forward, you're not going to have good traction on your back tire. So you are going to be kind of neutrally slash a little bit over the back. Try to just maintain a solid stance, but you still want to be somewhat relaxed. If you guys can't or haven't noticed, I don't know how to teach this, because I barely know how to do it myself, but we are just freaking winging it. All right, let's give it another shot. Rolling up a stair set. All right, on that one, if you notice, we got to the top and I tried to wheelie it. So you can start to do combos. That's a cool thing. Once you learn how to roll up and down these stairs, you can start to combo it, and it's pretty dope. Again, rolling down the stairs. Again, same thing, you got to kind of commit. Lean back. The nice thing going down the stairs is you can basically just drag your brake the whole way. You don't have to go super fast if you don't want to. So here, we're just leaning down. But these things are nice because these bikes have really good suspension, so unless you're just like totally being stupid, you know, you should be good to go. Now the cool thing about this, you You can start to throw these into combos. You can use these when running from security guards, not policia, only running from the security guards. But it just makes you a more versatile rider. It allows you to kind of master all terrains, if you will. And so what we're going to do now is a little bit of a combo. I'm going to try a wheelie. I'm going to set it down before I hit the curb, but I'll pop up the curb and then try to ride up the stair set there. Pop up the curb. Alright, now these guys are probably thinking, what the heck is this idiota doing? Now, I don't have my dirt tires on here, so it's going to be a little bit slick, but dead end. Can we rump through here? Alright, let's get out of here. This place used to be popping, man, back in the day. So there's another stair set over there, but that one scares me a little bit. Alright, we got a stair set over here. Try our luck on this guy. This one is a lot steeper, man. This one scares me. Ooh, I don't like the looks of this one, man. Alright, we'll try it. So, we're going to try wheelie from there. Slow it down, bump up, and then see if we can roll down. Sketch. Yeah, we pulled it off. It was sketch. I don't know about going up that one. They don't give you much room. Ugh. See what I mean? Uh-oh. Yeah, this one's a little tough because you don't have the room that you have on that other one. So now you're in a predicament because your bike is like halfway up, but not all the way. So this is where you look like a bit of an idiot. You're backtracking. Get the bike down. I don't think I'd feel good mobbing that second set of stairs, but let me get a picture real quick while we're at it. All right, here we go. We got halfway up the stair set. Crisis averted. Anyway, there you have it, you guys. That's how you can go up and down a flight of stairs as a newbie. I would not recommend that you do this at home. Ride at your own risk, you guys. Ride safe. Don't try stupid stuff like this. It's not worth it. Just not worth it. But if you happen to find yourself in a predicament where for some reason your only exit is going up a flight of stairs and or down it, then not to worry, my friends, I got you covered. John's Moto Garage, as always, thanks for the support, thanks for checking in. We'll hit you guys up on the next one. Adios.